Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? Ako nga pala si Cripply at meron akong kasama. Ano nga ang pangalan mo, pare koy?
Yo, ako nga pala si Aging G.
Aging G. Siya na daw ngayon si Aging G. Kamusta ka, Aging? Kamusta ang pag-aaral mo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay. May mga natutunan ka bang bago ngayon o wala pa?
Medyo meron na.
Tulad ng ano?
Tulad ng mga ka...
Mat.
Ayaw.
Math. Natutunan niya yung math. PE. Ano ko? Anong favorite subject mo?
Favorite subject ko ni...
Lakasan mo konti, pare.
Favorite subject ko...
Science.
Science.
Science ang favorite subject. Science ang favorite subject ni Aging. Kamusta yung pag-aaral mo, Ging? Kamusta naman ang mga nangyayari sa ano ba tawag diyan? Ang nangyayari sa paaralan, si principal, okay man. Okay, si
Okay,
principal, okay. Mga kaklase mo, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang din yung mga kaklase mo. Sige. Saglit lang, Ging, ha. May crush ka na, may crush.
May pa.
Wala pa daw siyang crush. So, ang papanoorin namin ni Aging ay ang legendary. Kilala mo ba kung sino to, pare?
Di pa, di na nagdadaalan.
Si ano yan, si Miss Rachel. So, lulupit tayo dyan hindi ko din alam, Ging, kung ba't natin ito papanoorin. Pero, feeling ko, ganito lang muna dapat pinapanood natin kasi bata pa tayo. Okay? Game ka na, Ging.
Game na.
Game na. Sino idol mo sa flip top? Si Topper pa rin?
Iyo.
Topper. Heart. So, huwag natin matagal yung mga pre. Miss Rachel versus Aging. Let's go.
Hi! Hello!
Hello, Aging. Hello.
Peekaboo!
Ging ko.
Ikaw po.
Where's Miss Rachel? Peekaboo!
Ging ko.
Can you do that? Peekaboo!
Can you do that, no, Ging? Kaya mo yan, Ging. Sabay tayo, Ging. 3, peekaboo! Yan. Ayos. Good job.
That's such a fun game. Look! It's a surprise box! Should we take out a surprise?
Ano, Ging? Surprise, Ging? Bubuksan natin yung surprise?
Surprise.
Yan.
Buksan natin.
Buksan natin. Yan.
Okay, let's say our special rhyme. What's in the box? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? You say out. Take it out.
Masaya ka naman, Ging, sa pinapanood natin ngayon.
Saya naman.
Masaya ka, promise. Promise yan, ha?
It's a pretend pink bubble made out of icky sticky bubble gum. Can you pretend to stick it to your nose? Where is your nose?
Ging, where is your nose, Ging? Your nose.
Nose.
Yan. Your nose.
You did it! Yeah!
Yes.
Pretending to stick it to our nose. How about your elbow? Where's
Elbow,
your
Ging.
elbow?
Elbow.
Elbow.
Good job!
Yan,
Wow.
elbow. Yes, sir.
How about your shoulder?
Shoulder, Ging.
Shoulder.
Yeah, shoulder. Woo! Okay, solid, pare. Mabisa.
Yes! Sticking to our shoulder. Should we try to put it on our head? Let's try together. Whoa! Should we pretend to sneeze together? Let's try.
Hatching daw tayo, Ging. Hatching.
Achoo! We're so silly. Can you get out your two hands? 1, 2.
Ging, Ging.
Good job.
Ging.
Now, let's pretend to blow a really big bubble.
Big bubble, Ging. Pabula tayo. Ging.
Wow! Pop! Oh no! The bubble popped and the sticky bubble gum is all over our hands.
Ay, nako. Ayos ka lang, pare. Sa,
Icky, sticky, sticky, sticky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Icky, sticky, sticky, sticky bubble bubble gum. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky
Bubble gum. Tawa, tawa.
bubble gum makes your hands stick to your elbows. And you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum. Bubble gum, bubble
Huwag ka
gum.
lang, huwag ka
Icky,
lang.
sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum makes your hands stick to your tummy.
Tami. Tami.
And you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum makes your hands stick to your ears. Uh-oh. And you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away.
Yay! Yay!
Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum.
Sabay tayo.
Bubble gum. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum makes your hands stick to your knees. Are they on
Hindi natin kaya ano yan, medyo malayo yung nisging eh.
your knees? And you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum. Bubble gum, bubble gum. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum makes your hands stick to your mouth. Bada-booba, wooda-baba, dooba-dooba-dooba. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky
Maboboring ka naging, hindi naman. Promise.
bubble gum, bubble
Una ako eh. Ako una eh.
gum, bubble gum. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum makes your hands stick to your groin.
Masyadong mababa ba yung upuan mo? Sakto lang. Gusto mong patasin natin ng konti.
Ito lang.
Gusto mo lagyan kong unan. Tuyo mo.
Basta.
Lagyan natin ng una. Para ano. Yan. Testing mo gig.
Wala lang kauna.
Alang ka na. Irani tayo. Gusto mo?
Wala lang kauna.
Gusto mong irani tayo na lang.
Sige, sige.
Sige daw. Magtoko ka. Ayos sound ka na lang. O yan na. Yan. Argan eh. Mas okay. Nice.
Put them on your grown up, and you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Icky, sicky, sicky, sicky bubble gum makes your hands give you a hug. Squeeze.
Ano masasabi mo dun, Ging?
Masaya.
Masaya. Ano pa?
Di lang masaya lang.
Masaya lang, sobrang saya lang. Ayos. So, masaya yon yung mga pinagsabi ni Miss Rachel. So, yung babae pala na yun, si Miss Rachel. Parang isa siyang, para sa mga bata yun eh. Kumbaga, parang pinapasaya niya yung mga bata. Ganun. Masaya ka naman bilang bata.
Masaya.
Masaya.
Peekaboo.
Ging, bigyan mo, Ging.
Can you do this? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. So fun. Should we take out another surprise? Let's do our special rhyme again. Say it with me. What's in the box?
Ikaw, Ging. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Yeah, what's in the box? Yeah.
What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? You say out. Take it.
Sabi mo, Ging, take it.
Take it.
Ouch! Wow! It's a little bunny! Can you make your bunny hop?
Bunny hop.
Great job! Hop, hop, hop!
So, yung hop, Ging, talon yun eh. Parang lundag, pare.
Hop, hop, hop! Let's take out another surprise. Say out. Take it out. You did it.
Ano yan, Ging, sa tingin mo?
Carrots.
Carrots, tama.
Oh. Can you say that? Oh.
Yeah, Ging, can you say that?
Bunny is so hungry. What do we do? feed Bunny the carrot? Great idea! Let's feed Bunny the carrot. She loves it. Thank you for feeding me the carrot. Can you make your bunny talk? Thank you.
Ikaw, Ging. Tayo. Thank you!
Thank you.
Good job. Bunny is getting so tired now. What does it look like to be tired?
Pagod na daw si Bunny. So, ano na daw yung itsura pag pagod? Ano yung itsura pag pagod sa tingin mo?
Pero stress.
Ay, stress.
Stress.
Parang stress yung ano, pagod. Sige. Tup, sige. Wait, si Aging G.
Can you show me? Yes. Oh, yawning.
So, naghahakay. Humihikab pala yung ano.
Maybe stretching? We need to put Bunny into bed. Let's see here. We have this little bed. Let's put Bunny in bed. Put her in.
Gusto mo niyan, ganyang laruan? Ah, ayaw.
Ayaw.
Mo. Bakit ayaw mo?
Parang pambabae.
Parang pamabae. Sige.
And now, let's cover her.
Anong gusto mo? Babae, lalaki?
Lalaki.
Gusto mo lalaki?
Laruan. Babae, siyempre.
Sa babae gusto mo?
Oo, babae. Kala ko laruan.
Ay, nako ka. Pero sa laruan, pang lalaki ang gusto mo. Pero sa tunay, ang gusto mo, babae. Sige. May girlfriend ka na, girlfriend?
Ayaw pa.
Wala. Game tayo.
In the little blanket. The blanket is on. Aw, Bunny is so safe and cozy in her bed. Can you say night-night to Bunny?
Night-night.
Night-night.
Night-night. Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Night, Bunny. Night-night, Bunny. Sweet dreams. She's falling asleep. Shh. We need to be quiet. Can you do that? Shh. Bunny is sleeping. We need to be quiet. I'm getting tired too. Let's pretend to sleep.
Magpanggap tayong tuloging. Tulog tayo, tulog.
Ding, ding, ding. That's our alarm clock. We need to wake up. Actually, I'm still tired.
Pag nag-aaral ka, Ging, pag ginigising ka ni mama mo o ni papa mo, gising ka agad o
Hindi pa.
lakasan mo ba? Para,
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. So, antok ka talaga pag ano. Maaga ba yung pasok mo o puro hapon?
Maaga.
Maaga, minsan.
Maaga.
Minsan. Kamusta naman yung pag-aaral mo? Okay naman? Pasado
Okay
naman?
Okay.
Hindi ka naman nagka-cutting o ano?
Hindi naman.
Tama yan, tama.
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Let's stop.
Hop.
I'm tired.
Kalahati. Hop.
Let's go back to sleep. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Ding, 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 ding. That's the alarm clock. We need to wake up and skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip and stop. Let's someone
Hindi ka pa naman ng tokging, sabi na pa. Ayos pa naman, ayos pa naman.
really special to introduce you to. His name is Bean Bear. He's so nice. Have you seen him?
Nakita mo ba yung bear?
Bird. Bird.
Where?
Asan yung bear, Ging?
Bird, nasan?
Nakita mo ba? Nasa likod ba?
Nasa likod.
Nasa likod,
Nasa likod.
I don't see him.
Hindi niya daw nakikita yung bear, Ging. Bobo. Bobo, Ging. Bobo. Nakikita mo ba yung bear? Hindi niya nakikita eh. Tayo nakikita natin, di ba? Matalino tayo.
Patalino.
Pera.
He's behind me? Where could he be?
Asan daw, Ging? Ano masabi mo sa kanya?
Nasan?
Oo,
Nasa likod.
nasa likod. Okay.
Nasa likod.
Oh, he's on this side? Thank you. Hi, Bean Bear. Hi. Can you wave to Bean?
Wait.
Ay.
Pakita mo sa camera.
Ay.
Baliktad.
Ay.
Yan. Hi.
Hi, Bean.
Baliktad ka.
He's blowing you a kiss. That's so nice, Bean. Mwah.
Blow kiss. Mwah.
Ah,
A kiss. Mwah.
I have cars.
Yes, you do have cars. Would you like to show our friends your cars later?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Gusto mo ganyan, Ging, na laruan yung bear? Ayaw.
ayaw.
Ayaw mo yan. Alam mo ano tawag dyan? Nig. Kung papapiliin ka, anong gusto mo? Yung maitim o yung maputi?
Maputay si
Yung maputi. Bakit?
Kasi ang maputay parang milk.
Parang milk.
Parang milk.
Pag maitim, parang ano?
Parang chocolate.
Peekaboo!
Eh, dapat. Bata pa lang, ano na, racist.
I'm back, and I'm so excited to see what surprise is next. What surprise do you think it's going to be? Let's check. What's in the box? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
King.
Yes.
Yes. Tango tayo.
Yes.
Tango. Yes.
Okay, let's take it.
Ano yan?
Cars.
Cars. Yes, sir.
Out. Wow. Is that a bus? Yes. Not yes. It's a bus. Wow. What does a bus
Bus pala, Ging. Mali tayo, Ging.
Bus.
say? Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Ano sabi ng bus, Ging?
Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, sir.
Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our buses together and then stop. Drive, 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 stop.
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 Yeah.
Good job. Drive, 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 drive your bus. Drive, 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 and stop. You did it. Did you squeeze your bus? You surprised me. Whoa, that surprised me. Whoa, that's so silly.
Ano yung silly? Maanghang.
Manghang.
Maanghang yung silly, yeah.
Oh, I hear the kids. They need to go to school. What should we do? Let's drive our bus over to
Oh,
pick up the kids. Drive, 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 drive. We need to say beep, beep so the kids hear us. Beep, 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 beep. The kids are getting on the bus for
Oh.
pretend. Yay! Can you do this? Let me see.
Uy.
Do this with me.
Hey.
Copy me. Great job.
Alam mo yung kantang yan? Alam mo yung kantang yan?
The fish to the bus.
Yeah, tawa.
The wheel
Paborito mo yan? Ano yung mga paborito mong kanta ngayon?
Iba-iba.
Tulad ng, baka may naaalala ka. May rap ka bang gusto? Ano ba? Yung mga soundtripan mo dyan sa kabila, naririnig ko puro rap eh.
Yung mga rap mo lang dati.
Mga rap. Ayos, ayos.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep,
Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, beep, beep, beep.
beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah.
Okay.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Ba't meow, meow, meow?
Meow, meow. Ay, may pala.
Nya, nya, nya.
Yan, yan.
Wah, wah. The babies on the bus go wah, wah, wah.
We, palmali tayo.
All through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town.
The daddies on the bus say, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I love you daw, Ging. I love you ang kanong lalaki. Ano masabi mo?
I love you more.
The daddies on the bus say, I love you, all through the town.
The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Okay ka pa sa pinapanood natin, Ging? Nag-enjoy ka pa? Masaya. Ayos.
Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town, all through the town, all through the town.
Bye-bye.
Hi, let's count together. 1. What's next?
2.
Oh yeah, 2.
Ano sunod sa to?
3.
Tama.
What's next?
3.
Oh yeah, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Zebra.
No.
Zebra? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Chicken. Chicken. 1, 2, 3. Pickle. 1, 2, 3. Chicken. 1, 2, 3. Pickle. 1, 2, 3. Banana. Oh, I know.
Ikaw, Ging. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Taya. 1, 2, 3, taya.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Ginagawa mo ba yun sa jeep? Tricycle? Nag-go 1, 2, 3?
Iba.
Ano ba? Ayos.
Floor. Blah 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 blah. Banana. Ooh, that reminds me. I'm hungry.
Gutom ka na, Ging. Gutom ka na. Hindi pa naman. Kakakain mo lang. No.
Hi. Which group has more carrots?
Alin daw dyan yung mas madami yung carrots, Ging?
Ito.
Yung nasa kaliwa, yung nasa dito, o yung nasa dito?
Nasa dito.
Nasa dito. Tama. Nasa left.
Left.
Left yan, left. Ano masabi mo dyan sa nagsasalita?
Parang ano,
Parang,
ang itim.
That's right. This group. Yum, my favorite.
so, tama tayo, Ging. Tama tayo sa ano. Oh.
Pika.
Siya na naman, no?
Ooh, that's my favorite game. Let's see what else is inside our box. Fill in our rhyme and we'll take out a surprise. What's in the box? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? Take it out. Wow, friends. Wow. Peekaboo, it's a little scarf. Peekaboo, it's so much fun to play peekaboo with you. Where did you go? Peekaboo, there you are. I couldn't see you. Hey, where are you? Peekaboo, there you are. It's so much fun to play together.
Can you get out a towel or a scarf? Sing along. My scarf, it has four corners has my scarf. And had it not four corners, it would not be my scarf. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, hold it up like
Alam mo
this.
kung anong hugis?
Pretend it's your
Ang hugis.
Square.
Square.
Square yan.
blanket. My blanket has four corners has my blanket. And had it not four corners, it would
Marunong ka mag-gitara, Ging?
Di ba?
Di ba?
not be
May paborito ka bang gawin? Ano ba gusto mong gawin ngayon? Sa buhay mo? Gusto mo bang mag-aral lang muna? Magtrabaho na?
Mag-aral lang muna.
Mag-aral muna. Lakas mo gusto mo para
Mag-aral lang muna.
Anong grade mo na pala?
5.
Grade 5 ka na? Kailan bakasyon?
March.
Sa March pa. So ngayon, ano ba ngayon? January, February, March. So 2 months na lang pala bakasyon ka na ulit, no?
Oo.
Ano gagawin mo sa bakasyon? Tambay? Ano ba? Pag-aaral ng maigi? Ano?
Para pagre-relax muna.
Magre-relax. Yeah, tama yan. Nai-stress ka ba?
Hindi naman.
Sa,
my blanket. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now scrunch it up like this. Pretend it's your pillow. My pillow has four corners has my pillow. And had it not four corners, it would not be my pillow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now put it behind you like this and pretend like you're flying through the air like it's a cape. Here we go. My cape, it has four corners has my cape. And had it not four corners, it would not be my cape. 1,
gusto mo pa manood ng mga ganyan? Yung totoo, ayaw na o gusto?
Ayaw.
Ayaw mo naman, no?
Ayaw. Pero medyo okay naman.
Ako, ayaw ko na din eh.
2, 3, 4. And had it not four corners, it would not be my cape, my pillow, my blanket, my scarf.
Wanna play? We could play cars. Red car, go. Whee! Whee! Blue car, go. Whee! My turn. Green car, stop. Go.
Anong favorite mong color?
Blue.
Blue yung favorite mong color. Ba't ka naka-green? Ay, wala bakante lang, walang. Ako, green paborito ko. Tingnan mo, yung nasa likod natin na ilaw. Ito. Ha? Favorite color ko kasi yellow.
Your turn. Yellow car, go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, yellow car. Bye-bye.
Peekaboo! We have one more surprise! Yay!
Tapos na to, Ging. Isang surprise na lang daw.
How do you feel?
Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon, Ging?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay. Antok, di ka pa naman antok?
Di pa.
Di pa naman. Ba't parang bar down na yung energy mo?
I feel excited to get out the last surprise. What's in the box? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? Yay! Take it out.
Ano yan?
Ano, eh,
Anong tingin mo dyan?
parang,
Daga?
oh,
Parang daga?
Oh, friends, it's a little bear.
Beer pa rin pala. Mali tayo, mali. Gusto mo bang uminom ng beer?
ayaw.
Yung Red Horse. Okay.
It's a little teddy bear. His name is Bean. Can you say hi to Bean?
Mag-hi daw tayo kay Bean. Ikaw, Ging.
Hi.
Lakas mo.
Hi.
Hi, Bean. Hi, Bean.
Hi, Bean.
Yan. Let's go.
Hi, Bean.
Oh,
Can
parehas, Ging. Parehas.
you wave? Hello. This is waving. Hi. Can you make your little bear dance? Dance, 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 and freeze. Dance, 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 freeze. Good job. Can you make your little bear whisper? What did your little bear say? Wow! This little bear said he wants to play. He said, I want to play.
Ikaw, Ging, gusto mo, you want to play? Gusto mo ba maglaro?
I want to play.
Oo.
Gusto naman.
Ano ba mga nilalaro mo? Ging, bakit mo gusto mo para mabit babangis?
Nilalaro ko ngayon ay parang
Parang nag-quiz ka. Parang ano?
yung Dota.
Nagdodota ka?
Oo, Dota.
Saan ka nagdodota?
Sa iPad.
Nagdodota ka sa
Ay,
iPad? Baka ML.
naka-download ako niyan sa iPad pero parang dinilit ko na naman. Dinilit kasi ang lag.
Ang lag ng Dota sa
Oo,
iPad. Parang niloloko mo ko, Ging, ah. Sure yan. Promise yan.
promise.
Naglaro ka ng Dota sa iPad. Sa tingin nyo, mga kaibigan, pero hindi ka nagsisinungaling. Sabihin mo, hindi ako nagsisinungaling.
Hindi ako sisingalin.
Yan. Ano pa, maliban sa Dota sa iPad, ano pa na?
ML.
Nag-ML ka din. Mga paborito mo yan. May paborito ka ng hero sa ML.
Si Vile. Ay,
Sino?
Tamus.
Si Tamus.
Oo,
Okay.
Tamus.
Sa Dota, may paborito kang hero.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Sige.
Let's pretend to take him to the playground. Walk, walk, walk. Can you make your little bear walk? Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walking to the playground. And now, there's a little playground right here. Psst, psst. He wants to go on the slide. He said, I want slide. Let's help him. He goes up, 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 and then he's at the top. He's at the top of the slide. Now let's help him go down. Ready, set, go! Whee! Can you say that? Whee!
Ikaw, Ging, can you say that?
Wee!
Yeah.
He went down the slide. I want sandbox. Can you make your little bear talk? I want sandbox. He wants the sandbox. Let's help him dig. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. My little bear's making a sandcastle. What is yours doing? How fun! Uh-oh. We need to get going. Let's tell our little bear he has 2 more minutes. You have 2 more minutes. You can pick one more thing to do. Psst, 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 psst. He said, I want swings. Can you make your little bear swing? Swing, swing, swing. Swing, swing, swing. It's so fun to go on the swings, isn't it?
Paborito mo mag-swing, Ging?
Parang nalulula ako.
Nalulula. Ano ba Tagalog ng nalulula? Feeling ko Tagalog din yung nalulula, eh, no? Pero parang, basta nalulula. Kung hindi nyo alam, bahala kayo.
Now,
Ano, may paborito kang laruin sa playground? Wala naman.
Wala na.
let's
Slide.
pretend
Slide, yung slide.
we're walking our little bear home. Can you do that with me? Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Uh-oh. Our little bear got so dirty in the sandbox. We need to help him get clean. What do we do? Do we put him in the bed to get clean?
Tingin mo, Ging. Madumi daw yung bear. Ano dapat gawin pag madudumi?
Nililiguan.
Hindi papaliguan. Tama. So sa tingin mo, tama kaya yan? Ilalagay sa kama yung bear para malinisan?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Mali.
Mali. Tama ka.
No. Can you shake your head no?
No, Ging.
No, no, no. How about in the bath?
Diyan, Ging. Nilalagay ba dyan yung bear pag papaliguan? Ano kasi yan, Ging, parang alam mo yun, nasa CR yan. Tapos may tubig yan, paliguan yan. So, tingin mo papaliguan dyan? Oo.
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 Yes! Let's put our little bear in the bath. Put him in the bath. Yay! He's in the bath. You have an amazing imagination. Let's take out our scarf and pretend that it's a washcloth and we're washing the little bear. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash.
Paborito mo bang maligo?
Oo.
Okay. Araw-araw ka naman naliligo.
Oo.
Ano yung sabon?
Safeguard.
Safeguard. Anong kulay?
Blue.
Blue. Di malamig yun. Malamig na ano yun.
Wash, wash. Good job. Wash, wash, wash. And now we're rinsing. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Now, we need to wrap our little bear in a towel. What could we use for a towel? Yes, we can use this again. Let's take out our little bear and let's wrap him up in a towel. Good job. You're all done your bath, little bear, and we're putting you in a nice warm towel.
What's in the toy box? Say open. Open.
Gusto mo paging yung totoo. Gusto mo na, ayaw mo na.
Gusto pa.
Gusto mo manood tayo ng rap battle.
Sige.
Ito o rap battle na lang.
Rap battle na lang.
Rap battle na lang. Tama na to.
Bago.
Oo.